last one I did factoring using the big X and grouping. We're going to shortcut this. We're not going to group. We're going to do a little shortcut. But just to remember how we set up the big X. The top number is always A times C. The bottom number is always B. So let's get started. So factoring this one with the big X starts the same way. A times C, 1 times -4 is -4. B is -3. The two numbers that I get is -4 times 1 gives me -4, -4 plus 1 gives me -3. And then this is where we start doing the shortcut. Whatever this is, including the coefficient, we just put in, and it's easy on this one, in for both of these. So this is going to go in both of those. And then what happens is take one of these, plug it in here, -4. Take the other one, put it in here, +1. I'm actually already done factoring. So it's x minus 4, x plus 1. Okay? If I do it with a not being 1, this is where it gets a little weird. Same thing, big X. A times C, 6 times -15 is -90. B, -1. I get 10 times 9. And if you ever get stuck, just start listing everything, multiply to get to it. It's got to be -10 because -10 plus 9. Now, same thing. I put my two brackets in here. Whatever's here, whatever that coefficient is, I write it in front of both. 6x. Okay? Take the -10 and take the 9, put it here. If you multiply this out, you'll realize it's 6 times too big. 6x times 6x is 36x squared. So what we have to do is at some point we have to divide by 6. What's easier is just reduce. For example, we look at these two, what could I reduce by? Well, 2 will go into it, so I can divide by 2. Ends up being 3x minus 5. Okay, can't reduce that anymore. What goes into those two? Well, 3 will go into it. So it becomes 2x plus 3. And there's how you end up factoring it. Factored version of this is 3x minus 5 times 2x plus 3. Okay?